the beautiful city of Bangalore. Like most of you, I stay mostly at home to be safe during this pandemic time and attend online classes. To make my time more exciting, I do a lot of sketching and craft. Let me show you some of my craft works today. Hope you will enjoy. It's Children's Day. Every little kid looks forward to enjoy their big day with friends and family. How about we make a wall decor to make your room colorful? We will need paints, canvas, brush, scissors and a masking tape. Let's get started. Let's place the masking tape on the canvas. I'm doing a crisscross, do as you like. We are done with the borders. It's done. Let's start painting. Once the paint is dried, remove the masking tape from the canvas. I just love the way it came. I wish you a happy Children's Day. Hey friends, like most of you, I also love reading books. The problem is I keep forgetting where I left the story. Not anymore. I made myself a cute bookmark that could guide me to the right page. Here it is. Let me show you how I made this. We need some origami sheets, black sketch pen, pencil, glue and scissors. It's ready.
Hello, I'm Avani. I am 10 years old.
Hello, I'm Shambhavi. I'm 6 years old.
Today we are going to make an origami crane. That's what we are going to craft today.
Isn't it cute?
Phew. Are you ready, Shambhavi?
Yes.
Yeah! We need some origami sheets for making our crane. Using a square piece of paper, fold the paper into a half to form a triangle. Unfold the paper, turn the paper to repeat to make folds. Flip the paper and fold it into half, forming a rectangle. Unfold the paper and repeat to make folds. Now fold along all 4 creases at once to form a square. Let me help you, Shambhavi, with it. Fold 2 edges to form a kite shape on top. Flip and repeat on the other side. Bend the top. Fold the top corner, open the pocket. Fold the right and left edges to form a diamond. Now flip over and repeat on the other side. Fold the right and left edges to form a sharp knife. Do the same on the other side. Fold the right layer to the left side. You should have 3 layers on the left and 1 layer on the right. Fold up the top layer as far as you can on each side. Turn like a page of a book. Repeat on the other side. Bend down the head to give the crane a long beak. Give it a sharp edge. Open the wings on both sides. And it's done! Our origami crane is ready.
I had great fun learning with you.
Thank you for watching this video. Bye!
Hi friends, it's Diwali time. Diwali symbolizes the victory of light over darkness, good over evil and knowledge over ignorance. Let's make something special for this Diwali. Let me show you how to make some beautiful lamps out of paper.
To celebrate the beauty of nature, let's make these amazing leaf lanterns. The things we need are the butter paper, leaves, glue, and of course a candle. Take a butter paper, place your leaves, once you are happy with the design, glue them. We are done with the placing of the leaves. Take another sheet of butter paper and slowly place over it. With the help of a warm iron, press this.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you had fun. I wish you a happy Children's Day and a happy Diwali. Bye.